Good evening, good day, good morning, good afternoon po sa all over the world. Ang gagawin ko po is magtutupi ako ng aking mga damit kasi mga malilinis na po ito. Nilalabhan ko po ito last day, then I'm going to fold this now. Yeah, so this is what I'm doing before going into bed. Ang dami po. There's a lot in here, guys. Look. Look at that. Look at that. A lot. Ayan po. So, come here guys. Just help me to fold these clothes. There's a lot. There's more in there. So, this is what I'm going to do. So, that's for now guys. Please don't forget to subscribe. And we're uploading video ahead. More video ahead. God bless.